This video will demonstrate how to upgrade a software for G300 KREA machine. Let's get started. You will need to have two blank USB, which formatted from your laptop. One is your key one, which is a system key, and the other one is your software upgrading key, which is we call the key 2. So first, open the machine's door, turn the power off.
Hello?
From here. Bye-bye. Once the machine is off, insert your key 1 into the machine.
Hello?
And then turn the machine back on. Bye-bye. In the meanwhile, machine will detect the key 1 automatically and retrieve the important file into the machine itself. We can have the USB removed.
Hello?
And machine turned off. Bye-bye. Next step is insert your key 2, which is a software key, into the machine.
Hello?
And then turn the machine back on. Bye-bye. Once the machine prompt uses update done, please remove the USB drive. Then you can unplug the USB straight away and then get the door closed. And then Australia and New Zealand model, we select the G300 AUS 800. You will have the configuration file backup in your USB ready to load into the machine. So first, open the door, plug in the USB. From the menu, enter your credentials, and then go to machine menu number 3.1, machine configuration, import from the USB. Select the file, select the import. And then the machine will ask you, do you want to load this configuration file into the machine? You press OK. In the checklist, select the reset statistics, select the reset maintenance counter, and select the reset water calibration. It's always recommended to rerun the calibration after you upgrade the software or import a new configuration file. And in the drop-down list, select the second one, apply modified value into the new configuration, and then press OK. Once the machine turns on, you will have the original or calibrated drink recipes showing on your machine. Thanks for watching.